Assalamualaikum and hello. Today we would like to present about our prototype, which is biodegradable kettle pot.
Cattle or both species has been a food source like meat, milk and other products for a long time. Cattle manure has many benefits that can use as organic fertilizer and compost. The production of biodegradable compost use 100% organic waste, has a high supply of nutrients to plant and easy decompose in the soil. From cow dung, we can produce biodegradable compost without using plastic material that difficult to decompose and will affect the ecosystem as well as can also save costs.
The objective of our prototype is to reduce the use of plastic bag, to recycle the waste from cow, and to produce biodegradable pot that easily decompose and environment friendly.
There are three problem statements that have been stated in this project, which is the first is plastic, the use of which affect ecosystem, the atmosphere and human are the problem we face today. The use of plastic is growing day by day. Plastic take a long time to decompose. Chlorinated plastic will release harmful chemical to the soil and then penetrate into the groundwater. This causes harm to species that use groundwater resources. Secondly is the use of plastic in agricultural sector is the highest because from the beginning of seed sowing to harvesting. This is because plastic is easy to find and is very cheap in terms of cost. Therefore, we need to do something to reduce the rate of plastic use and replace the use of plastic product in agriculture. Lastly, a seedling sown in plastic container should be transferred to the planting site after the seedling reach their maturity level. During transplanting seedling to planting site, the chances of retarded seedling are high. Therefore, organic pot needs to be produced to replace the use of plastic container that are not environmental friendly and easily damaged.
The market for biodegradable kettle pot is diverse, ranging from farmers with seasonal bulk requirements to domestic gardeners wishing to buy a small number but steady supply of organic pot year-round. Farmer with seasonal bulk requirement can be categorizing as farmers, nurseries, estate developer and gardeners. Besides, housewife also one of our target customers since some of them loves to planting and planting can be one of their hobbies. In addition, biodegradable pot also can be used for home gardening, vegetable gardening and landscaping.
Cattle dung is used nowadays to make pots of flower and plants. Cattle dung pots dissolve naturally and become excellent manure for the plant because cattle manure is nutrient-rich fertilizer, unlike plastic growth bags that damage nature. It not only saves the world, it is much better for our gardens. It gives nutrients for plants such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Cattle pots also give a good effect on the crops compared to other plastic pots, and it is very suitable since it does not affect the ecosystem. There is no need to dig a deep hole until the plant in the cattle dung pot grows larger and needs to be transplanted into the field. Farmer can simply position this pot with the plant at the specified location and build a small mound of mud to cover it.
Industrial engagement that include in this project is livestock industry and crop industry. Livestock industry is the supply of cattle manure. The waste from livestock production will recycle and used as main ingredient in making cattle pot. Crop industry is the main client of cattle pot. This biodegradable cattle pot BCP will be used in crop industry as this pot is one of the way to reduce the pollution and sustain green technology. Besides, this cattle pot also have many advantage to this industry.
Now we look at the prototype that we do. Basically, the process is not that hard as we only need cattle manure and other equipment. The manure we collect from the local cattle farmers. The manure later was mixed with the soil in order to get a sustainable texture. Later, the mixed manure was shaped in the DIY molding container. It was then dry before we can use. In order to use, put soil and seeds in the cattle pots and then water the seeds. Put the pot away and wait until it germinates. So this is the end product of our prototype. Thank you for your attention.